The author says, "My father, the one who should have been my shield, became my predator. Vengeance for my mother was taken out on my soul." A war that happened inside her own home.
Now, she wakes up screaming. She can't trust love because for her, love was a violation. Her walls are not for hate, they are for survival. You were a child, and you were innocent. His crimes are not your shame. You didn't just leave a house, you reclaimed your life. Fill the comments with light for this survivor.